So look at this question. If a equals this, b equals this, then the value of 2b by a square. Now look at this a very carefully. So if a equals 1 plus 2c2 by 3 factorial plus 3c2 by 4 factorial plus 4c2 by 3 factorial, sorry 5 factorial. Now you know that, like, I'll suggest you this thing. Whenever you will witness some factorial on the denominator now, always think about e power x. Do you remember about e power x? We have studied the expansion of e power x in limit chapter, where we have studied that it is 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, x power 4 by 4 factorial, x power 5 by 5 factorial, and so on. Correct? Now look at this power. So the denominator factorial is managed. Now focus on the numerator. So it is 2c2. So here they wrote 2c2. So who is 2c2? I think 2c2 means 1 plus x power 2. We have to expand 1 plus x power 2, and then we have to take help of coefficient of x square. Correct? Who is 3c2? 3c2 is 1 plus x power 3, and then we will solve and we will take help of coefficient of x square. Who is 4c2? 1 plus x power 4, and then we will expand it and we want coefficient of x square. So we can connect with this e power x. Now what I will do, I will replace x with 1 plus x, and look at this, what will happen. So we have e power 1 plus x equals 1 plus 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, 1 plus x cube by 3 factorial, 1 plus x power 4 by 4 factorial, 1 plus x power 5 by 5 factorial dot dot dot. Correct? Now what we have to do, we have to handpick one of the thing. Like suppose we have picked this one, 4c2 by 5 factorial. So in 5 factorial wale component, we have to create 1 plus x power 2, sorry 4, and then we have to manipulate. Means here I have to manage power 4. Now look at 4 factorial. In 4 factorial you have to manage power 3. Here you have to manage power 2. Here you have to manage power 1. Means do anything but try to reduce the power by 1. Correct? So here we will have 1 plus x. Can I divide both sides by 1 plus x? So we will have e power 1 plus x by 1 plus x, 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 factorial, 1 plus x by 2 factorial, 1 plus x square by 3 factorial, 1 plus x power 3 by 4 factorial, 1 plus x power 4 by 5 factorial, and done. Now what we have to do, we have to find out coefficient of x square from both side. Okay, so we are focused on a right now, and we want coefficient of x square from both side. Now just look at this. Can I write this thing as e times e power x and 1 plus x power minus 1? Okay, we can write this thing, and we can write right hand side as 1 plus x power minus 1. Hope you remember this person. 1 plus x power minus 1. Okay, plus 1 plus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1 plus x whole square by 3 factorial 1 plus x cube by 4 factorial 1 plus x power 4 by 5 factorial dot dot dot. Correct? Now look at this. You know that the expansion of e power x is what? 1 plus x by 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial dot dot dot. You will keep on going, but you need what? Coefficient of x square. So no need to write the term after x square. Now, do you remember the expansion of 1 plus x power minus 1? It was 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus dot dot dot. You know that, no need to write after three things. Okay. Now, so how we will proceed now? So we have to take help of, like on the right hand side, we can write things as, look at this. So we want coefficient of x square from both the sides. Correct? So what we will do, look at this. So from here we can have coefficient of x square. Correct na? Means I can write this thing as 1 plus, we can write 1 minus, yes, it was plus minus 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube dot dot dot. And wait a moment. Now look at this. Now things are getting critical. From here you won't have anything. I'll write for time being. Plus I'll continue, means from here it is continued. Now what we have to write? Compare coefficient of x square from both side. Okay, now look at this. So we want x square, correct now? So look at this. If 1 will be multiplied with x square, then only we will have x square component, correct? So we are interested in finding coefficient only, so 1 into x square will become x square. We are interested in coefficient, so it is 1. Correct? Now I want to multiply this, so this should be multiplied with this, so it is minus of x square, so minus 1. Correct? Now I want to multiply this thing, so this thing will be multiplied with 1, so it is plus of 1 by 2 factorial. 1 by 2 factorial is nothing but 2, है ना, 1 by 2. So we got x square component, coefficient of x square component from left hand side. Is that okay? Now let's be focused on the coefficient of x square from right hand side. Now, so look at the first part. So from the first part means this, can we have x square component? Yes, we will have x square component as 1. Can you have x square component from here? No. Can you have x square component from here? No. Can you have x square component from here? Yes. So it is 2c2 by 3 factorial plus, can we have x square component from here? 3c2 by 4 factorial. Can we have x square component from here? 4c2 by 5 factorial dot dot dot. Now do you remember who is this person? 1 plus 2c2 by 3 factorial, 1 plus 2c2 by 3 factorial plus 3c2 by 4 factorial, 3c2 by 4 factorial plus 4c2 by 5 factorial. So it is same A. So who is this? A. So we got value of A as E by 2. I hope the first part A equals E by 2 is clear. Now we have to be focused to find out value of B. Now look at this, who is B? This is 1 and this is sum of binomial coefficients of 1 plus x power 1, correct or wrong? Sum of binomial coefficient of 1 plus x power 2, है ना? Now look at this thing. Don't you think you can correlate with this example? Same, no? Like, look at here. Look at 1 factorial. So what is this? So numerator is sum of binomial coefficient of 1 plus x power 1. Coefficient of 1 plus x power 2. है ना? So what we have to do? Just we have to replace in this equation, replace x with 1, you will get value of B. Now we will replace x with 1. So LHS will become what? E power 1 plus 1, E square, and RHS will become what? B. So we got value of B as E square. So the main part is you have to find out value of A. So if you know A, you are already done. Okay. Now let's move for let's find out the final answer. 2b by a square. So it is 2 times b by a square. So who is b? B is e square. Who is a square? A square means e square by 4. So e square gone. 4 2 times 8. So the required value is 8. I hope you got the idea, and from now onwards, whenever you will witness factorial in the denominator, if you will observe number on the denominator, you have to think about integration. If you will find number on the numerator, you have to think about differentiation. But if you will find out the factorial in the denominator, you have to think about e power x. Now you can say that, sir, how we can get these kind of ideas? Okay, so for that, trust me, you have to solve so many questions, and if you will solve these kind of questions, no, then only you can trust yourself that you can handle these kind of situations. Okay, otherwise these questions hardly you will be able to try. Okay, so please attempt these questions on regular basis, make a revised note and do it regularly. Okay, I hope the ideas are clear and you can handle similar situations.